got so much motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, make it clap. I got 3 old guys on the block with it. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Afriandini, NIM 22111155, kelas 3C, Prodi Pendidikan Guru Sekolah Dasar Universitas Askia. Tujuan pembuatan video ini adalah untuk pemenuhan tugas ataupun UTS mata kuliah keterampilan berbahasa yang didoseni oleh Bu Yunita Nurpriya MPD. Baiklah, di sini saya akan membacakan hasil jurnal yang ditentukan oleh Ibu sendiri. Result and discussion. After analyzing some quality journal as the data of this research, the researcher found some result as follows. First, Mugiono et al. Found that there was significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and the studied academic advancement. It as was proven by the result of the correlation confidence was which means there was a quite strong relation between studying linguistic intelligence and academic advancement. The participation of the study was English Education Department student. It also found that linguistic intelligence gave strong effect on studying English skill, including reading comprehension. It can be seen from the data that linguistic intelligence gave 45% effect on academic achievement. Moreover, the research also found the emotion intelligence showed a weak effect on the studying achievement rather than linguistic intelligence. It can be said the linguistic intelligence gave significant contribute toward student achievement in English education, reading comprehension. Actually, many studies also indicate the some result of this study specificity in reading comprehension in other was worth the studying linguistic intelligence more gave contribution towards studying academic achievement the emotion intelligence. Khan Rahmi et al. Report that linguistic intelligence become a strong report of studying reading comprehension. Then the participant of this study was 19. Iran studying word to English major. Practically speaking, it also not the linguistic intelligence was related with the studying cognition which was involved in the successful in reading comprehension. It also found that linguistic intelligence predict the student reading performance because intelligence and cognition are part of comprehension. It means that linguistic intelligence is very excellent in language learning because it is involved in reading activity. As it was discussed above, it is important for the teacher to make the classroom activity that is more involved the studying linguistic intelligence so that they can improve their ability in using language. The study that was conducted by Dewi, it showed that linguistic intelligence gave positive influence on student reading comprehension. Besides, the participant of the study was 283 Indonesian students at Madrasah Pembangunan Jakarta. From this study, it claimed that the student who had good linguistic intelligence tended to have a good reading comprehension because English language variable of linguistic intelligence give contribution in improving the student reading comprehension ability. It was related with the profit study that linguistic intelligence become one of the factors that can predict the student successful in learning a language because it involves the studying cognitive process. In addition, it also found some indicator of studying linguistic intelligence in reading activity. First, the student loved to read. Second, the student often spoke what they have read. 3. They were good at spelling patterns. Next, they like playing word game in PIMS. Then the student can keep their book collection also. They can remember general knowledge, quotes, and words easily. Next, they can explain and interpreting that what they have read else. Last, the student had good ground about language use. Based on the indicator, it can be said the student will have dominant linguistic English, have tendency of have good reading comprehension. In other words, by having a good linguistic intelligence, it can increase the student ability in reading because they understand what they have read easily. Practically speaking, the student, the teacher should be aware about linguistic intelligence. Thus, they can change their learning habit and learning study that is appropriate with their intelligence so that their linguistic intelligence can be improved. Therefore, the teacher can create new aids in teaching learning process and causing the approved teaching material that fit with the studying linguistic intelligence. Last, Reza and Tabrizi found that linguistic intelligence was the most significant predictor of the studying reading comprehension among the multi-intelligence types. It also found that students with high linguistic intelligence were able to use the language ability, that they were typically good at reading, playing word games, memorizing word storytelling, and making property. In the Whitley finding has me also added the linguistic intelligence mode the strongest contribution in predicting the studying reading comprehension. In other words, the student should not ignore this step in the intelligence because it influences the learning comprehension. In fact, the student still not aware about their linguistic intelligence. However, it is crucial for the teacher to give the chance for the student to develop their linguistic intelligence in classroom 4. Intense by creating a learning strategy with playing word game and storytelling that involve the student ability in using in language. It also the support by gender in Arnold and Fonseca, who said that is important to know and develop the individual different types of intelligence, including linguistic intelligence, because all the individual are different to each other, that they have a combination of intelligence that Based on the result of this result in found that studying linguistic intelligence gave significant contribution toward reading comprehension, as the study should give more attention toward the linguistic intelligence because it helps them to improve their ability in reading.